everyone, and welcome to another Elliott Wave forecast video update. My name is Eric. Today is the 17th of September around 3 p.m. Eastern Times, and then today we're gonna take a look at a company that's been on the news lately, and a company that can be providing a very interesting buying opportunity within the next few days. As everybody knows, in Elliott Wave forecast, we do use Elliott Wave to forecast the market, but we also use techniques like distribution, cycle sequencing, market correlation in order to come out with the best forecast available. In today's video, we're going to take a look at General Motors. Everyone knows that General Motors being in the news lately because of the strike since yesterday, but as we always say, we do not follow fundamentals. And what we look at the General Motors with the Elliott Wave eyes is that from the lows that is reflecting here, this is the daily chart of General Motors, from the lows of October of 2018, General Motors has what we call 5 weeks out or 5 swings out. Regardless, in Elliott Wave, nothing ends in 5 weeks. And I'm going to show you this chart of Elliott Wave in which after 5 weeks out, there is a 3 weeks pullback, but then the trend renew to the outside. So what I say earlier is that nothing in Elliott Wave ends in 5 weeks. In other words, what it means is that after the 5 ends over here, it comes the pullback and more outside. Explaining that and looking at this into the charts of General Motors, we labeling this a perfect 3 weeks pullback. A 3 weeks pullback from the peak on 2017 to the low on October 2018, that it went specifically to the blue box equal legs buying area at 32.88. From there, the market react, but it react in 5. So what we are expecting in General Motors now is that when it ends the wave 2 here, when it ends the wave 2 over here, the market, it will react higher into at least another leg that is gonna take it. Let's say if it goes to 33, the market should trade higher at least to around 44.50 dollar right there. So General Motors is providing a very specific a very specific setup. Is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it can be followed by 3. The reason that we're calling this decline here is because we look at another instruments across the market. We look like at the Dow Jones or real estate, which this cycle here is the October 2018 cycle, and it needs a pullback before more outside. This instrument already, or this index already took the peak of 2007 and should be trading higher at the time that General Motors should be trading higher. Besides, we can apply the idea that this putback is the putback here in General Motors, and that this rally comes in the Dow Jones real estate is this rally. Also, we see many instruments, including, for example, the DAX, which is a very important index for the next few days at least. We got the DAX right here, which for a very similar low as a very similar General Motors bottom here in October of 2018. This is the December cycle in General Motors, which is over here the secondary low. So if we do overlay here, the DAX, and we look first the DAX, and we able to see that the DAX from these lows in April, in August of this year, August 15, is soon do a putback. That putback can bring General Motors to the buying area at 33.52, 29.60, 33.52 against the lows at 30, and that can become a profitable trade into the near future. So if we go and overlay the DAX, what I'm trying to explain overall here, what I'm trying to explain overall here is the idea that a DAX put back from August of this year, right? A DAX put back here from August of this year, right? To retest that trend line, it can meet General Motors at the equalex, and that is when the next leg higher in both will take place. In conclusion, what I was saying, what we are referring is to the idea that General Motors came deep due to others, not to their own need, into the 3352 area. We would like to buy General Motors there for a rally at least to 46, if not 48, even 50 and change, that it will be a very profitable trade. How do we see it? We see the pullback because of the DAX, and we see the rally because the Dow Jones real estate need to more outside. As everybody see how we look at things different in Elliott Wave Forecast, we provide to members this blue boxes so they can enter the market, and the next one is a 3252. We just don't only forecast base over here in the General Motors price action. We confirm the price action into the next forecast using others, correlating the market, the sequence, and that's how we only do things. And that's how we provide a very reliable forecast to members. They only need to wait for the right side and the blue boxes and execute the trade. If you like the video, you want to join these blue boxes trading in these specific areas, and the blue boxes are area in which buyers and sellers agreed into a reaction. You can join us. We provide a free trial here for 14 days, or you can subscribe to one of our plans over here in which we provide a full 24/7 service and support of the market. Thank you guys, or see you guys around. Thank you guys all.